In the garage where dreams ignite, building hot rods by day and night. Homeschool knowledge, we are the crew. Fabricate the future, just me and you. Underneath the hood, we find the power for break steady. We'll never cower, Chrysler dreams and GM frames. In this garage, we'll make our names. Mixing math with the science of speed. Learning by doing, planting the seed. Talking horsepower, numbers and gears. Hands-on learning throughout the years. Every day's a lesson. Every part a chance. Turning wrenches. We're lost in a trance. Building something special. A sweet escape. Homeschool vibes. It's never too late. Yeah. Homeschool hot rod built to last. V8 thunder. Hear that blast. Fabricate the future with style and grace. Making memories in our sacred space. From math equations to engine roar. In a garage, we always want more. Mixing cultures as we learn and create. Different backgrounds, but they can't separate. United in passion, we push the limit. In this hot rod world, we'll always fit in. Tires screeching, racing down the lane. Together we rise, break through the chain. Hands in the engine, hearts full of dreams. Homeschool knowledge flows in our stream. Mechanics, but a bond. Building hot rods of which we're so fond.